Welcome to Pure Health Through Foods, where we explore the incredible benefits of nature's most nutritious ingredients. Today, we're exploring the realm of avocado smoothies, a delicious, creamy treat that's packed with health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your heart health, manage your weight, or achieve glowing skin, avocado smoothies offer something for everyone. Avocado, often referred to as nature's butter, is a nutrient-dense fruit that has become a staple in many health-conscious diets. Known for its creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados are not only delicious, but also packed with a wide range of health benefits. When blended into a smoothie, avocados can create a nourishing and satisfying drink that supports overall wellness. In this discussion, we will explore the numerous health benefits of avocado smoothies, provide some delicious recipes, and conclude with reasons why this superfood should be a regular part of your diet. It's important to understand what makes avocados so special. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which are essential for heart health. They are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, E, K, and B6, folate, and potassium. Avocados contain small amounts of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, making them a well-rounded fruit for nutritional needs. And now let's dive into the health benefits. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels LDL while increasing good cholesterol levels HDL. This can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Avocados also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. Weight management. Despite their high fat content, avocados can be beneficial for weight management. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. When added to a smoothie, avocados can create a satisfying meal replacement or snack that curbs hunger. Digestive health. Avocados are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A smoothie with avocado can be a gentle way to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in avocados, particularly vitamin E and vitamin C, are beneficial for skin health. Vitamin E helps protect the skin from oxidative damage, while vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Drinking avocado smoothies can contribute to a glowing complexion. Eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, to powerful antioxidants that are important for eye health. These compounds help protect your eyes from harmful light waves like ultraviolet rays, and may also reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Anti-inflammatory properties. The monounsaturated fats, along with vitamin C and E, contribute to the anti-inflammatory properties of avocados. Regular consumption of avocado smoothies may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Before you ask, here are some recipes ideas. 1. Classic avocado smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of choice, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Second smoothie recipe: green avocado smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup spinach or kale, 1/2 cucumber, 1 green apple, chopped, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water, juice of 1 lime. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, add more coconut water until the desired consistency is reached. Pour into a glass and enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-packed drink. Third smoothie recipe: Avocado Berry Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup. 1 cup water or milk of choice. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve chilled and savor the sweet tart flavors combined with the creamy avocado. Avocado smoothies are more than just a trendy drink. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that support various aspects of health. From heart health to glowing skin, incorporating avocados into your smoothies can provide a wide range of benefits. The creamy texture and mild flavor of avocados make them an excellent base for a variety of smoothie recipes, whether you prefer a green detox blend or a fruity delight. By adding avocado smoothies to your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack or meal, consider whipping up one of these avocado smoothie recipes. Your body will thank you for it. If you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe now and transform your life with pure health. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess.